like a Hellcat.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to AJ Nation here, and today we have a GoPro, I don't know, like accessory, attachment. Now, I just loaned this out, and I also had a hard time finding this out, and I had a hard time knowing, but I could not find out what piece did you need, or what accessory did you need that would fit on this stand or extension level. I did not know. I looked for my hotel GoPro box. I just couldn't find it. I was like, does this go to this? I was like, nope. It doesn't have a screw thing. That screw. I was like, nope. But then I found my box and I looked at the bottom. Oh, it has a screw. And I looked it up and it was this. So you need this kind of piece to actually it's made for that, and then you can put your GoPro in the slots and then took the screw and then screwed them. That's what I found out. You guys need that extension. That's the extension that you need. It looks exactly like that. I showed you in the video. It looks exactly like that. Now it's on tight and everything is on, not loose or anything. So yeah, that's all you need. I hope this helped you out. I hope you guys have a great day. Peace out.
Yeah.